Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Yes, this is going to be a very short video. I just wanted to stop by and share with you guys how I created this unit. I'm using this X Pro from Bobby Boss. It's 88 inches and I cut it in half. So this unit is a frontal. I did bleach the hair myself before I start this process, and you can bleach the hair to your liking. This is the color that I wanted to have when I was bleaching it, and after that I just start braiding the hair in the front before I braided the back. Well, as you can see, the front is pretty much done. So I started braiding the back. Here I chose a black dome cap. I know, well, I had a choice between the black and the white, and I prefer the black over the white. So this is totally up to you. You can choose the color. I mean, if you can find like a tan color, like something goldish or light brown, that would probably be preferable. But if not, you go with the color that you want. I didn't mind the black because my wig is pretty full, and the cap won't be showing too much. So if your wig is gonna be showing the scalp, I mean the cap, you might want to be mindful of what color you're using. So guys, this is the final result of how this unit looks. I added an elastic band and some combs inside for secure wear. Yes, it's pretty long. This particular one is 26 inches long. and yes, I like it. Very light actually. It's not that heavy at all, and it's pretty full, like you can see. It's very, you can barely see the cap on the bottom of it, so when I turn, you can see the cap doesn't show at all. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.